Hi, writers! Did you have a great time starting your informational writing books yesterday? I hope so. Today, we get to talk about informational topics that are a good fit for us. We're going to call good fit topics super topics. A topic is the thing that you choose to write about. A super topic is going to be something that you know a lot about. How do you know if you know a lot about something? Well, I like to use my hand. I know we've used our hands in writing before when we talked about using characters and setting and three things that happened and then the heart in the palm. That was back when we were talking about personal narratives. We're also going to use our hand to think about topics. If you can name 5 things about a topic, then that's what we call a super topic. And that would be something that would be a good choice for you to write about. Not every person is going to have the same super topic because we all know different things. We've all had different experiences. We all like different things, and that's amazing. So that's part of the fun of writing too, is being able to listen to other people's super topics because that's how we can get ideas, but it's also how we can learn something. So let's say that I wanted to write an informational text about Chicago, because that's where we live. So I will start thinking about what I know about Chicago. Okay, I know that there was a big fire in 1871. I know that Chicago has tall buildings. I know that Chicago hasn't always looked the same as it does now. I don't know if I know much else about Chicago and any facts about Chicago. That might not be a super topic for me, right? If I have to sit there and think and think and think and think, then that's probably not something that I already know a lot about. Now, I could definitely do some research and come up with more stuff, and we'll talk about how to do that as the unit goes on. We will talk about researching and finding facts. But right now, I want you to focus on something that you already know a lot about. So if I try to sit down and write about that topic, Chicago, that might not be a good fit for me right now because I wasn't able to name 5 things. Okay, so maybe I should pick something else that I know a little bit more about. I remember reading a nonfiction book about bats, and it taught me a lot of things. Let's see if I can name 5 things about bats. Okay, well, I know that bats are nocturnal. I know that they mainly eat bugs like mosquitoes. I know that their babies are called pups. I know that they are mammals, so they have fur and they drink milk. And I know that they use echolocation to find their food. Wow, see how quickly I was able to come up with those 5 things? That's a super topic for me because it's all really easy for me to come up with. So today, when I go to write on a fresh piece of paper from my binder, I can write down those things that I just named about bats. Now, this is going to be another work in progress page because eventually we are going to be trying to write books. We don't quite have all of the skills yet to put our knowledge into book form. We're working on that. So right now, your job is just to use at least one page and write down those 5 things that you were able to name about your super topic. So if I were doing this, I would just write those 5 sentences that I just told you about bats. If you have to sit there and think for a really, really, really long time, then again, that's probably not a super topic for you, and it's not something that you should be focusing on today. Remember, your topic does not have to be an animal. It can be anything that you are able to name 5 facts about. So today's goal is to come up with a super topic that you know at least 5 things about, and then write those 5 things on the page. We'll use this page that you create today to expand on. That means we might erase things, move things, adjust things as we know more and as we're trying to create longer books. But today is more like an idea day where you're writing down as much as you can. Today's topic should be different than yesterday's topic because you already wrote down some things that you know about a different topic yesterday. You're going to try to do something new today. All right, I'll see you tomorrow when we're going to look at some published informational texts. Bye.